Welcome back, family. Hey, Atlanta. Y'all jacking them rats, huh? G-Nay. Yeah, I see y'all. Hey, rich homie Quan. I know you feeling some type of way, goddammit. I know you. Hey, rich homie Quan, what you doing, man? Not only did you tell about Young Thug shooting nut, you say Young Thug shot your daddy, Young Thug shot up your truck. You know what I'm saying? All type of, what's wrong with you, bro? Young Thug behind a murder of nut, shot your father, shot your truck. Oh, Atlanta, y'all jacking rats. Ooh, wait. That make you feel some type of way. I know you feel some type of way today, goddammit, because, yeah, you told. Hey, and it's crazy. I think this, like, I ain't gonna say this the first time because I'm pretty sure it didn't happen with somebody else, but man, your paperwork dropped with the audio, nigga, and you listed on the YSL case as a witness and on the YFN case as a witness. The homie Quan. I was wondering, because you know, you and Young Thug had that super saucy situation going on for a minute. And I was wondering what just made Thugger flip on you like that. Like he really flipped out on you. And now I see. He knew you was telling on him. Yeah, nigga, tell. Rat, Monterey Jack, Mickey Mouse, Master Splinter Type. You told, nigga, you told. And you ain't just tell, you told a lot. But you know who I blame? Fanny. Because what did Fanny say? Fanny, well, y'all well-known Atlanta rappers. Snitching. Fanny been put it there. They well known. Who had one of the biggest singles? I know you feel some type of way. Then you had with the lifestyle. All that rich gang. You know, Birdman had y'all running around. Rich gang. Yeah. I'm going to let y'all listen to this, man. We going to come back and chop it up.
And in Atlanta, you know that? Right. So my hand was on the spot. I saw it. We had a show together. I was like, so I'm just asking the show. Everybody been talking about it. I'm gonna just be a man and answer myself. Right. Straight up, man. Niggas old go had something to do with it. We just can't prove. Right. Point blank period. I ain't no rat. I ain't telling no. I'm just being real with y'all. I got how much I love nut, man. You know what I'm saying? I like that shit real for her, bro. So, why did you suspect Young Thug when you went down to Miami? Because people told you, or did you have some beef with Young Thug at the time that kind of let you know? I ain't had no beef, bro. That shit was deeper than rap, man. I really feel as if that was jealous of the relationship.
I said,
oh. You know what I'm saying? They were jealous of the relationship, man. Because you guys seem to be getting along real well before that. I mean, I saw, you know, how you guys were working together in the summer 2014. Man, listen, man. Yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm with the hundred. And Couture would come to Atlanta. He wasn't in Atlanta, he was scared of me saying Atlanta. You know that? Right. So Miami.
Oh man, and rich homie, you told more than that. But man, all this contract disputes, all you ain't want to be with the rich gang, cause other artists was complaining about not getting paid and they money getting to. Hey, you told the detectives all that? You told on Birdman too? Oh man. Lord have mercy. Well, Atlanta, y'all down again. Let's see. Let's see if Rich Homie Quan come through a paperwork product. We got your other paperwork though. We got it. And it's crazy because it just stopped. Like, it just cut. We don't even know what else you told them. You told enough. You don't need to say nothing else. Got nothing. Because you told everything already. Ooh, this is crazy. So, yeah, you one of them witnesses on that list. They going to try to make sure you up in there. Because you done already told enough. Hey, hell, you telling people, man, you know, Young Thug got something to do with it. You can't prove he got nothing to do. What if they can't prove he got something to do with it? Why you telling them that he did it? I ain't no rat or nothing. I'm just being real with y'all. Oh, Lord. You hear somebody say that? Get away from him. Rich homie Quan. Straight rat. Well, y'all get in the comment section, man. Let me know what y'all think about this. Your boy Buddha. I'm out.